Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM, Baxter, Minnesota here. We're looking at a 2021 Yukon Denali. Stock number is 2A210099. Beautiful white frost paint here. This has got all the bells and whistles here. Surround vision cameras, parking sensors front and rear, of course. White frost, this has about 200 some miles, 200 actual miles on this. 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. Nice fixed running boards here. 6.2 V8, you got the Bose big touchscreen, heated ventilated seats here. Everything you can imagine. This is loaded and beautiful. It's very slightly pre-owned. As you can see, everything folds nice and flat. If you're not familiar with the 21s, you've got about 6 inches more room. These actually slide back and forth, the second row does, which was never a thing in the Yukons or Suburbans. So as you can see, this one's quite a bit forward more than the other one. That's where your second row room comes from. And of course, they fold nice and flat like you saw here too. You can get these in a buckets or bench seat. This one happens to, of course, be buckets. Heated second row as well. As you can see, it's got dual exhaust tailpipes there as well. Of course, power liftgate, backup cameras right in the back here as well. Plenty of room, a little bit more room in the back here behind that third row as well. Everything is power up, power down here too. They took the 12-volt power inverter out, put a 110-watt, normal like the household one back here as well. Got a little bit of room underneath for different things too. This is about as close to brand new as you can get. These are hard to find. I know when we get them in brand new, they pretty much sell within about 5 days. So if you're looking for one of these, maybe you don't want all the bells and whistles like the power boards, DVDs, and all that sort of stuff, this might be the ticket for you. Head-up display has as well the power tilt and telescoping steering wheel, 2-speed transfer case as well. So it does have a lot of the bells and whistles that most people require. So if you want to check this one out, do so soon here. Give us a call, Mills GM, 218-829-3504, or visit us worldwide, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.